Hey there, I am Marcin. I'm professional retoucher and Photoshop educator, and in this course I'm going to teach you how to create the LUTs in Photoshop. LUTs are sort of presets that allows you to apply the certain effect, whatever you want, to your images or videos. But before we start, few words about me and about the course itself. First of all, my retouching job. I am retoucher mainly specialized in fashion retouching, so something that requires high understanding of colors. And you can find my work by googling my name, by checking my portfolio on Behance and see how my retouching looks like, how my color work looks like, which could probably help you knowing what you want to do. And if you think this is something you would like to do, these are the colors you like, I might be the right person to teach you Photoshop. Also, I recommend you to find some of my personal work, my photography. I'm a hobby photographer, and if you like the colors of the images I'm creating, I can help you with this matter, because in this course we'll be creating LUTs, which are sort of filters for images and videos. And of course, my educational career. I've been teaching Photoshop for over 6 years on YouTube at the moment. You can simply find me by googling my name, Marcin Mikus. I understand it might be difficult to pronounce, but you can see it in front of you, and that's my name. You can just Google it. You can see my videos on YouTube and see what I'm doing on the daily basis here and there. I've been doing this before I decided to create some premium courses and start teaching a little bit more for people who want to explore Photoshop and retouching a little bit more, and also for more advanced users. So what we will be doing today, maybe you heard of the term Lightroom presets. We will be doing something very similar on a little bit more advanced level, and the level that gives you a little bit even more control than Lightroom presets give you. We'll be creating LUTs in Photoshop. I want to keep it simple. So let's say the LUTs are filters, just as presets in Lightroom that you maybe heard, but a little bit more developed, which would mean probably even better. So Photoshop gives you possibilities of creating such a filters by using adjustment layers, by using camera, which later we can apply to any image we want and any video we want. Let me present you. So I already have some LUTs created for this course that we will be developing. I'm going to find some LUT that I did especially for this course. For example, the LUT under the name Orange and Tail. So as I have this alphabetical here, I need to find Orange Tail. Just one hit, contrast and lights are adjusted. As you can see, within seconds, I created filter that I can apply to the image and maybe it could be ready. LUTs also can be applied to your videos, though we cannot create them in the video software. But once we create them in Photoshop, if you're videographer, you can apply them within seconds to your video editing software. Just have a look. Here is the clip without the LUT, and here is the clip with the LUT applied. You can switch between them, you can apply different ones. As you can see, within seconds, without too much wasted time, you can apply your LUT, your filter, to the videos and images and save a lot of time. And what's really the best, you can create really a lot of them with different color effects. And if you are good enough, maybe one day you can sell them to other people who want to create the colors as you do.